guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Megan. If you are not new, welcome again, friends. Today's video is yet again another monthly favorites video. I'm going to share with you some of my monthly favorites for October. I have a little bit of beauty, a little bit of makeup, and just some other random things. I'm so excited to share with you guys some of my favorites this month. So stick around and see what was on the list for the month of October. I think you guys will really like some of these things that I'm mentioning this month. All right, let's quit with the chit chat. Let's just get right into the video. Let's go. First up, I have a product that I recently purchased. I've been loving it. These are by Olly. These are called the Perfect Women's Multivitamin. This has a blend of vitamins A, C, D, E, Bs, biotin, and folic acid. Packaging is super cute, which I love. And I love that it's like, I mean, the branding is super smart. You see these in Target and you're like, ooh, I think I should pick those up. They are gummies, so they do taste really good too. So it kind of feels like you're having a treat when you take them. You take 2 of these a day, and this is supposed to be like the perfect blend for women. On the packaging, it says, say hello to your body's new BFF, a multitasking blend of essential nutrients to support daily health and help fill the gaps when your eating habits are a little less than perfect. I think all of us women can agree. You know, sometimes we stick on the healthy train, and then sometimes it's like hard during the holidays. All of that plus biotin for your hair, skin, and nails, and a boost of vitamin D for those fabulous bones. I have been loving these lately, you guys. I found that this kind of just is good to get in the routine of when you're, you know, my age, in your 30s. So they do have a lot of other vitamins under this brand, but these are the ones that I use on a daily basis, and I've loved it so far. I've noticed my skin's gotten a lot better recently, as well as my hair is just, you know, I'm always battling the hair. I just kind of always needing a little bit of boost of that biotin in my life. So if you ladies need a good multivitamin, you guys should try these. They are excellent. So I would consider myself a coffee lover, and when I wake up in the morning, I just need that cup of coffee. Especially when you have children, you moms, you know, when you wake up in the morning, that is like the first thing that you look forward to. I have loved recently purchasing mugs and collecting mugs that kind of have like inspirational quotes on them, or things that just kind of start your day like on a positive note. I have been loving to collect mugs for my coffee that have really cute sayings on them. I just find that it kind of like starts the day out right, you know, and it's super cute. It's Instagram worthy, it's Snapchat worthy, let's be honest. One thing too that I love about this mug is that it has my initials, MB. It was made for me, I think. I think it's just good for everybody to kind of have a few mugs in their collection that maybe have a saying that means something special to you, that is inspirational or just positive. Just good to start your day with like a cup of joe in a cute cup with a nice little saying on it. It's just cute, you know? These next items are gonna be beauty and makeup related. This next item is one that I purchased probably 2 weeks ago, or when it came out, and this is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Palette. Gosh, the name is always so hard for me to remember. It's the Lighting Edit Unlocked palette. The reason that I purchased this and spent a little bit of money on, not only could I use this every day, but when I do other people's makeup, this is super handy because it's just got blush, a highlighter, bronzer, setting powder. It just has everything that you would need in one palette. I think too, for traveling, this is amazing because you just have all of your powders like in one palette. It's a good size as well. It's just like the perfect little compact size. And Hourglass is one of those brands that, although their items are a little on the pricier side, it's just one of those brands that they have excellent quality, as well as cruelty-free, all of those things that I think women need to start paying attention to, what we're putting on our skin and in our bodies. So if you want to kind of spoil yourself, then you guys should pick up this palette. It was $80, I believe, on Sephora's website, which is a little bit steep, but again, if you don't really find yourself buying a ton of makeup but just want one palette that holds all of those kind of face powders, then you guys should definitely check this one out. Next up is a lip gloss that I've just been obsessed with lately. I love a good, soft, kind of juicy lip, but I hate the stickiness of lip glosses. So this has been my go-to lip gloss lately when I want to just top the lips off with a little bit of shimmer and a little bit of juiciness. It is what I have on my lips today, and all that I put on was just a lipstick and then the gloss over the top. This is the Kylie Cosmetics Super Glitter Gloss. It's the perfect fall color. I will give you guys a little preview of what this looks like, and it is beautiful. Can you guys see that? I mean, look at that pigment, look at that shimmer. This is one of those glosses too that's not sticky. It's not chunks of glitter, it's more of kind of like a really pigmented shimmer. But I mean, you can tell on the lips, it doesn't look chunky at all. It's just the juiciest lip gloss. And I haven't purchased like a ton of her lip products, but the ones that I have purchased, I've loved every single one of them. So if you guys want to try something new, or you just want that like staple lip gloss in your bag just to carry in your purse, this lip gloss is like so good. I find myself using this lipstick a lot. It is one of those like colors that I feel like it's just a really good neutral nude shade that I just love it for usually like an everyday look. I'm kind of that nude girl. I like a good nude, okay? This is the MAC Cosmetics lipstick, and this is in the shade Peach Stock. And as you can see, I mean, the nude is just like the prettiest shade. Look at that. What I love about this shade too is that it's kind of got a little bit of a peachy undertone, which I love in a nude. I feel like with my skin tone and a lot of girls' skin tones, this is just a really good shade to have. So if you guys want a good lipstick from MAC, or the next time that you're shopping at MAC, online, in store, wherever, you guys should pick up the Peach Stock lipstick. It's like the perfect nude just to have in your collection. I'm obsessed. All right, so this is a recent buy that I added to my skincare recently, and I have been loving it. My skin is just like glowing when I'm not wearing makeup, and I've noticed that this product is like definitely contributing to the glow. Henricksen Transform Plus Glow Cycle Retin Alt Power Serum. That is a tongue twister. The cool thing about this serum that I loved is that it's a daily serum, so I wear it on my face before I apply makeup. Normally I get a serum that I use at night, but I love that this was kind of like fighting anti-aging and all those things that I need during the day, which is awesome. So on the website, it gives a little bit of information about what this serum does. It says an all-in-one perfecting day serum made with a natural retinol alternative that targets fine lines, wrinkles, pores, and dark spots while instantly brightening. I need that in my life. I always am looking for that product that's gonna fight my dark spots, that's going to get rid of my wrinkles, fine lines. I mean, all of those things that like are perfect for the skin. So this cream has kind of a purple tint to it, as you can see here. So it instantly kind of fights that redness. If you have redness in the skin, if you apply this, the lavender shade gets rid of that redness in the skin, and it smells so good, you guys. If you're in your 30s, if you need like another product to kind of help with that anti-aging, then you guys should try this. I love Henricksen brand. It's like the ultimate skincare brand for me. I'm obsessed with it. I buy all their products. I keep them in business. Lastly, on my list of favorites this month, I recently purchased a new face oil from Beauty Counter, which I'm so excited about. I will have to say, out of all of the oils that I've used, my favorite face oils come from Beauty Counter. And if you guys don't know about Beauty Counter, I will link below their website. You need to look into it. They are a company that sells skincare, makeup that is free of harsh chemicals anything that's harmful to your body. So this brand is amazing. Their products are great. I love them. I usually use the brightening face oil, and I purchased a new one this month because I wanted to try something a little different. This is the Plumping and Jasmine facial oil by Beauty Counter. I put it on my face every night along with like a moisturizer, my serums, eye cream, whatever else. But I always apply this at night, and I wake up with just the most youthful glow. It smells amazing. It's just such a good product. And if you guys are kind of like afraid to use oils because you think it will make your skin oily, that is not true. Facial oils are amazing for your skin, and if you have not tried it, you guys need to try it. It is such a good thing to add to your skincare regimen. It's super, super moisturizing. I encourage you guys to check out Beauty Counter's website because they have excellent stuff. All right, you guys, that is it for October's favorites. What did you guys think of the lineup this month? I tried to add some fun things and hopefully things that are kind of new to you guys. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Like the video if you guys enjoyed it and you liked some of these products. Don't forget to subscribe too. I would love for you guys to be a part of my channel. Also, don't forget to check me out on Instagram as well as my blog. I will link on the screen somewhere those for you guys. Appreciate you guys tuning in today, and until the next video, I love you. Have a fabulous week. Bye guys.